Cash App, do you want to increase your sending limit? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Cash App and sign in to your account. Tap your profile icon, then go to your account settings and check your verification status. To unlock higher sending limits, you'll usually need to verify your identity by providing your full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number, if requested. Follow the on-screen instructions and submit your information. Once your identity is verified and approved, your sending limit may be increased based on your account status. Keep in mind that eligibility and limits can vary, so always check the latest details in the app. Follow Rapidguide for more simple Cash App tutorials and financial guides.